Hey, what's going on, you little shits? It's me, Crumpy here again, and today I'm going to show you guys a little life hack as to how to get a lot of subscribers, and eventually even a million to get yourself that diamond, or gold play button rather. Maybe even 10 million to get that diamond. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your YouTube channel, and you're going to highlight the number of subscribers that you have. Then you're going to click this button, Inspect. After right clicking on the number, you're going to go into this code and find where the number is. Then you're going to right click on it, click edit text, make sure you get a cursor, and then type in whatever number you want it to be. So I'm going to do 1, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, press enter, close the console, boom, 1 million subscribers. Next thing you know, YouTube will send you gold play button. Easy as that. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you all hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thanks. Peace out, guys.